Hello students, welcome back to Enjoy the Literature chapter. The name of the chapter is I Am Flying. This story is about a boy who believes in making others happy. Fine? Okay. Our chapter name is I Am Flying. As I earlier told you, this story is about a boy who believes in making others happy. So start reading. Right? Once upon a time, there was a little boy who lived in an orphanage. The story is about a boy who lived in an orphanage. You know what is orphanage? What is the meaning of orphanage? A child, either boy or girl, who don't have parents, right? A place where children who do not have parents will stay over there. That is their home, right? So this little boy always wished to fly like a bird. Everybody has some ambition, and this little boy who lived in an orphanage thinks about he always wished to fly like a bird. This is his desire. He desired to fly like a bird. This is his aspiration, his dream. It was very difficult for him to understand why he could not fly. As he thinking about himself, he always thought why he could not fly as birds can fly, as even bigger birds, those who are heavy in weight, they can also fly. There were birds at the zoo much bigger than him, they could fly. Why can't I? He wondered about this. Means he thought about this. He was actually speechless with wonder. There was a little girl who could not walk. Now the story is telling about the girl who can't walk, right? She always wished to walk and run like other little boys and girls. Listen, a person who cannot do something, he always wish for that. The same, it happened with the girl. Here it was a girl who could not walk. She always wished to walk and run like little boys and girls. Okay? We can't. I be like them. This was the thinking of a girl. Why can't I be like them? She wondered. She also thought about this. She also has this kind of feeling by heart that why she is the only who can't walk, right? One day the little boy went for a walk. Now what next happened? One day the little boy went for a walk. The same boy, he went for a walk. He came to a park, right? He came to a park where he saw the little girl playing in the sand. Fine. This boy who lived in orphanage, once he went for a walk, he came to a park, and what he saw there, he met a little girl who was playing with the sand, right? Hope this much is clear to everyone. Till here everything is clear, right? Now start reading from the next page. He ran over to the little girl and asked, "Have you ever wanted to fly like a bird?" Now what comes in his mind? He just came near the girl and asked her, "Have you ever wanted to fly like a bird?" Because this is his ambition. This is his wish. Now he asked that girl. But what was the girl's reply? She said, "No," said the little girl, "but I have wondered that what it would be like to walk and run like other boys and girls." What she replied? She said, "No, I don't want." Again, what she replied? "But I have wondered." She was surprised why people are walking, how people walk and run, like, because she can't. "But I have wondered what it would be like to walk and run like other boys and girls." Hearing this, The boy asked her, "Why?" asked the boy. "I can't walk or run." Now she made him clear that I can't walk or run. I am unable to walk and run. "That is very sad," said the boy. Right? He felt bad for her. "Do you think we could be friends?" When he heard this, that she can't walk, he felt sad and he now wanted to become her friend. Right? He asked him, "Do you like we could be friends?" He asked her. "Sure," said the little girl. She replied, "Fine, we will be the friends." The two children played for hours. Now they are playing for many hours. They made sand castles. You know what is sand castles? It means they are playing with the sand and making castles, giving them shape like a castle, and talked and laughed. While playing with the sand, while making sand castles, they both talked with each other and laughed. Then the little girl's father came with a wheelchair to take her home. When they are playing, then what happened next? Her little girl's father came over there with a wheelchair. What is a wheelchair? Wheelchair, this kind of chair is meant for the person who can't walk, who is unable to walk, right? So father came with a wheelchair to take her home. The little boy ran over to the girl's father. He moved to her father. He whispered something into his ear, and he said something to her father. "That would be wonderful," said the little girl's father. After hearing what the boy told him, little girl's father replied, "That would be wonderful." Means whatever he said, he agreed with that. Right? The boy looked at his new friend and said, "You are my only friend. I wish there was something I could do to make you walk and run like other little boys and girls, but I can't." Do you understand this? The boy looked at his new friend and said, "You are my only friend." He is talking to the girl. "I wish there was something I could do to make you walk and run. Yeah, I'll do something for you so that you can walk and run like other little boys and girls. But I can't. But here I am helpless. I was helpless. Instead, there is something that I can do for you." Now what he exclaimed her, "But here is something that I can easily do." The boy turned around and told his new friend to slide up onto his back. Right? He just moved back and asked her to just slide up onto my back. He then began to run. As we are carrying boy or girl on our back, the same way that boy took the girl on his back, he then began to run. Faster and faster he ran, carrying the little girl on his back. Harder and harder he made his legs travel. So what he is doing, although might be felt tired, but he was just running. He carried him on his back and he just started running. Harder and harder he made his legs travel. Means he just moving from one place to another over a long distance without stop. Soon the wind just whistled across the two children's faces. As wind is blowing, and that gives the more happiness both the children's. Right? So as wind is blowing, as it started, that wind is blowing. So what happened? When wind is blowing fast, there is some sound like you can feel. So it's a whistling sound across the two children's face. Hope you understand till here. Okay. The little girl's father began to cry as he watched his daughter flapping her arms up and down in the wind. All the while yelling at the top of her voice, "Look, Daddy, I am flying, I am flying." right? The little girl's father began to cry as he watched his daughter flapping her arms up and down in the wind. It means he felt so happy for her daughter, as his daughter, who was really enjoying the ride on her friend's back. By watching all this, the father means he could not control himself and began to cry. Right? All the while yelling at the top of her voice, "Look, Daddy, I am flying, I am flying." Because the girl is so happy, right? And she yelling. What is the meaning of yelling? She started shouting loudly, "Look, Daddy, I am flying, I am flying." Right? So this is how the boy helped his friend, and this gave him intense happiness. Right? When you are helping something, you actually felt very nice from your inner heart, isn't it? At the time, the same happened with the boy. He just forgot about his own dream. He helped him and he felt very happy. When you are giving some kind of happiness to others, you also feel very happy. Right? The same happened with the boy. This is all about the chapter, and hope you like the chapter. Read it once again by your own. Fine. And try to understand whatever is taught in the chapter. So, this also quotes one quotation: "A friend in need is a friend indeed." Right? Means a good friend is that who helped in a time of needness. Right? A friend in need is a friend indeed. This is all about the chapter. Hope you enjoyed. Read it once again. And if you feel any issue regarding the chapter, feel free to ask me in a live session. Right? Okay. Thank you.